Arkadaşlar, UFO mu bu? Ya UFO'ya çok benziyor. Garip bir dönme yapıyorlar, görüyor musunuz? Bak bak. Kayboluyor gibi oluyor, dikkat edin. İnan, dikkat edin. Allah Allah. Ve görür görmez diyorum.
I'm here. Look over there. There they are. I see it. Oh, thank God. What's up? Yeah, that.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur la chaîne du Maybe Planet. C'est le Midi Libre qui a sorti l'information le 11 novembre à 11h27. Un article au titre assez accrocheur, un ovni observé dans le ciel d'Occitanie, d'intrigantes vidéos interrogent les internautes. Alors dans cet article, le Midi Libre précise qu'une vidéo publiée sur les réseaux sociaux montre un phénomène lumineux dans le ciel particulièrement intrigant ce mardi 9 novembre, une activité lumineuse étrange qui aurait été observée près du littoral méditerranéen. C'est le site de météorologie Météogare Héros qui a publié sur Twitter plusieurs vidéos pour le moins énigmatiques. L'événement aurait été observé depuis Montpellier, Cournonterral, Palavas-les-Flots ou encore 7 et des signalements auraient même été rapportés depuis Landor, Narbonne et Perpignan. Alors lorsqu'on visionne ces vidéos, on peut bien sûr éliminer les étoiles, on peut éliminer les avions, on peut éliminer les satellites, les lanternes thaïlandaises, et oui sur le coup, pour moi ce n'est pas une lanterne thaïlandaise, reste la possibilité d'un drone. Parlons plutôt peut-être d'un drovni sur le coup. Quid de la luminosité, quid de l'autonomie de la batterie du drone. Il semble évident qu'ici, il ne s'agisse pas de drones à prix bon marché. On parle de dizaines de personnes qui ont vu le phénomène ce mardi 9 novembre. Peut-être qu'effectivement, encore une fois, le drone est une thèse qui tient tout à fait la route, mais va-t-on trouver le ou les propriétaires de drones, puisqu'il peut s'agir aussi d'une action coordonnée de plusieurs personnes. Le GEPAN aurait été informé ou en tout cas sollicité sur cette étude. C'est un cas bien sûr que nous allons suivre de très près. Très bonne fin de journée à tous.
In this footage, we have this object that seems to be a disc-shaped UFO. So guys, let's take a look at the footage and then we'll have a real quick chat afterwards. So guys, this is what I know about this footage. This was captured on an Air India flight. Now this flight took off from New Delhi, India, and was making its way to the capital of Saudi Arabia. Now during the flight, this eagle-eyed passenger saw this object and he started to film it. Now from how the footage looks, this object is way off in the distance, but we can see that there are no wings. It's your typical shape. Now I'm saying this is a disc because if you look how this thing moves, this thing at one point it drops right down in a straight line and then it shoots right back up. Now the camera is pretty still. So what do you think this could be? Could this be one of them, another plane? Or is this what it is, a UFO? So until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.
If you were going to see one of these crafts at night operating, it would appear really as a glowing ball or just a bright light in the sky from a distance. Even close up, you'd see a glowing halo around it. What you're dealing with is a high energy source in essentially a gas atmosphere, oxygen, nitrogen. And when you apply enough energy to a gas molecule, they emit photons, they emit light. It's really a byproduct of how the craft operates. When it's emitting that much energy, the gas surrounding the craft emits light, the same reason why lightning is visible. You have a huge electrical discharge, and the gas emits light in the form of lightning. Moving around the source of gravity is a problem to a disk because it's interference, essentially. That's why they look goofy when they fly around at low speed. The gravity field around the Earth is not completely constant and stable, depending on the minerals and density of the Earth underneath it. The gravity will vary somewhat and you will get odd movements of the craft. So its low speed mode is kind of unstable for the most part. Just because you can visually see, either with the eye or on radar, a craft moving at 7,000 miles an hour and making a 90-degree turn doesn't mean that's what's happening. Don't forget again that the craft is distorting space and time, so your eyes are fooling you. I mean, the craft does not necessarily have to be moving like that. People wonder how a craft like this can make a turn at such high speed, a 90-degree turn, when they would imagine people slamming up against the wall or something to that effect. Well, that really wouldn't happen. Inertia would have no effect. You're in a distortion, and don't forget that gravity distorts time and space, so really nothing is going to influence you while you're in there.